Hello and welcome everyone to QuickTime Audio Recordings. My name is Meredith Godsall. I'm a special education teacher in New York City. Today we will be talking about how to use QuickTime Player to record audio clips and insert them into Google Slides. This tool can be used for both virtual and in-person learning. QuickTime Player is a multimedia platform that allows you to record on your Mac. Please note that this is a presentation for Mac users, as QuickTime Player is not compatible with other devices. You can record a video of yourself or your screen, or just do an audio recording like we are going to do today. This presentation will be using Grade 5, Week 24, Day 1. However, you can use this technology for any Google presentation you may wish to present. For many students with disabilities, audio recordings are a wonderful substitute for live reading aloud. While it would be ideal to read the directions to a student as many times as they need or as many times as their IEP mandates, remote learning doesn't always work that way, as we have learned over the past year. If a student is absent or having audio issues, if they do not have a separate space to read to them privately, or any other numerous things that we have come across as teachers, these are some really helpful ways in order to make sure that those problems don't get in the way of a student receiving their mandated IEP services. So, audio recordings will allow students to have directions or even full texts read to them and repeated as many times as they need. This way, they will be able to stay on mute, receive their services, and do not disturb other students. Or it can also be used asynchronously. So we are going to use this slide to show a quick test. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my QuickTime Player, which you can get to by just searching QuickTime Player. And it will just pop up as this top recording area. So it's not anything big fancy, just top area. And you're going to go to New Audio Recording. And then I'm going to click the record button. Add the audio recording to this slide. And that's it. Now, I have recorded it. I do need to save it. And I'm going to put it as testing 2. Now, it is really important that we notice right here, it says M4A. We cannot upload on any file but MP3. In order to upload onto Google Slides, it must be an MP3. So let's go through, see how to change it. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to save it. Saved. Going down to my Finder folder, and I see this here. I click, right click, and I go to Get Info. And then down here, your name and extension, just type in MP3. Press Enter. Yes, I do want to change it to MP3, and that's it. It is now an MP3, and you'll be able to save it onto Google Drive. So I'm going to go to Google Drive, click New, File Upload, and I have this right here. It's now uploading, and there it is. Aha. All right, you have successfully recorded, converted, and uploaded your audio file. Now the audio file actually needs to go into the presentation. So I'm going to click on Insert and click Audio. Now there it is right there, and I click Select. insert, and add the audio recording to this slide. So students are able to see this and do that, and that's it. That's all you need to do in order to go through and add this. All right, so now I'm going to go through and show you this with the resources for week 24 for grade 5. So this week I'm going, in order to do this and insert this, I do need to create a copy of my selected slides. So I am able to insert my recording. Once this is made, I will pull up the slide. So I'm going to be recording this. So I need to go back to my QuickTime. You will click File, New Audio Recording, and then I can get started. Air pollution. Can you imagine wearing a mask to filter the air you breathe when you go outside? In some parts of the world, there is a large amount of air pollution. Air pollution is any type of material that is in air and makes it unsafe to breathe. Air masks can filter pollution from air so that people do not breathe in toxic gases, fumes, or small particles. People who live in cities with lots of air pollution must wear air masks to enjoy the outdoor activities. Stopped my recording. I'm going to save it. As week 24, day 1. Actually, it's under day 11. Independent, day, first slide. It's a long one. Then I'm going to go through to my Finder folder, convert to an MP3 by going to Get Information. Go to the very end of the title and change from M4A to MP3. Press Enter. Use MP3. Exit out of there. Upload this to my drive by clicking New, File Upload, and week 24, P3. That's uploading. And now I'm going to go back over here, click on Insert, Audio. There it is, and click Insert. And there you go. And then students are able to go through, listen, and follow along. You can continue to create on each individual one for as many as you would like to make. I hope this has helped and made your day audibly better.